Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a simple and effective daily skincare routine that can help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. So make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Cleansing. First step is cleansing. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Always choose a face wash according to your skin type. Step 2. Toning. Next is toner. It helps tighten your pores and gives your skin a fresh feel. Try to use an alcohol-free toner for better results. Step 3. Serum. Serum deeply nourishes your skin. Vitamin C serum is great for glow, while hyaluronic acid helps keep your skin hydrated. Step 4. Moisturizer. This is a Korean moisturizer, Mixun Bean Cream. The texture is rich but lightweight. It deeply hydrates your skin and makes it soft and smooth. And it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. Perfect for a natural, healthy glow. It keeps your skin soft and well hydrated. Step 5. Sunscreen. Don't forget sunscreen during the day. Use SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from sun damage. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more skincare tips. See you in the next video.